meghalayapost.news.
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM rengkat bat ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital PIMC bat ka Ayurvedic Medical College menta ka sengi kala Rakhe ka National Doctors Day Arhajar Arpunrio kum ka jing itu bat ka jingai buram ya ka benta ka bakordor jong ki doktor ha ka jing syakri ka koit ka khia jong ki pajba ya ka program la penlong hapo campus jong ka USTM halor ka phang behind the mask who heals the healer ka bakran sa phang ka jing don kam ban pen bat sumaru ya ka jing koit jing khia bat ka jing bha jong ki doktor ki batore shitom man sengi banajung sumaria kiwei tawan ban sakhi ekani ka program dau chancellor ka USTM Umhabubul Hong vice chancellor professor GD Sharma upan masri Dr Sarbeswar Saharia pro vice chancellor professor Dr AC Kataki director of medical administration ka USTM Dr Jogesh Sharma director of medical education and research ka PIMC Dr HK Sharma principal ka PIMC Dr Anil Kumar Sharma nalor ki Dr Rangba kinong hikai bat ki samla puli doktor kumsi benta jong ka jing Rakhe lapan ku burami ki doktor balano senyang shibun hakalyang ka koit ka khia barkino hikai ki blano ekjing tore sitom ha ka pule puthi pajba la jing itu ru ya ki doktor ki banikong e ki bladon benta banseng barpenlong ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital kumsi benta jong ka jing Rakhe ka National Doctors Day ka USTM kalasam ru ki premium health kan Nongthoh Khubor lingba kini ki health kan Nongthoh Khubor kinyo ekjing sumar bat ki jing syakri ha ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ha ka dor ka baduna kum kadak jong ka jing itu ya ka jing syakri jong ki syaka imlang ga salang
lots of issues, lots of challenges, but we always convert challenges into opportunities, and you are with us. When people finds that someone is in trouble, people they try to leave, but still you are with us, you are helping, and I want to convey a good message today that for some technical issues last year, our 150 intake of MBBS has been reduced to 100, and that a kind of mistake technical has not been done by the institution, from the government department. But before 3 days, we got the news that our 150, this 50 seats has been reduced. Also, it raised up, and now our MBBS intake is 150 from this academic session. So thank you very much all the doctors. It is because of your support, contribution, dedication, and I am telling you and I am giving assurance that you will be working in a medical institution here at USTM. One day you will be feeling proud. We are working relentlessly. We have lots of financial troubles, but we have taken a challenge of making a destination for healthcare facilities at USTM. I hope by next another 2-3 months you will be seeing lots of physical transformation in our infrastructure facilities. The building is coming up behind.
Development in the field of immunology, the vaccine, stem cell research, molecular research. There are checkpoint inhibitors, there are CAR T-cell therapy, newer and newer technologies are coming on our way, and this is making a significant improvement so far as survival is concerned, and also impacting on the quality of the life. But in spite of AI technology, and there's so many innovations, outcome of the research, but then one thing which is very common and cannot be replaced by any technology, and that is our communication skill, how we communicate with the patient, with the empathy and compassion, and that should be our strength, ladies and gentlemen. And then which is, for some reason or the other, I don't know, there is some deficiency, so we must understand, we must realize that this is one of the most important human component in the medical professions. And there are many people, they used to say, medical profession is a noble profession, doctors are God, but then I do not believe both the concept, because we believe all professions are noble professions. Onus lies on us how to make our own profession, how to make this medical profession a noble profession. Then only it will be a noble profession. And then we should act like God. We are not God, but then we must believe in God-like act. And then that should be our philosophy. Ladies and gentlemen, You are all aware, our Chancellor has just mentioned, so we at PIMC, we believe in our holistic care. It should be accessible, affordable, equitable quality care at the doorsteps. We all are trying our best to offer affordable care, and then we are sure that with the amount of the support that we are getting from all the doctors, not only doctors, health professionals, all health professionals, paramedical health professionals, our well-wishers, our founders, our administrator, we do not have any doubt whatsoever in our mind why we will not be able to take PIMC to a newer height, one of the best centers not only in the country and the world. So we believe in that. This is our dream. We are sure we'll be able to realize our dream.
meghalayapost.news